Ah, good morning. I'm going to show you how to do a border, a Victorian type of border that the gun engravers would have used. It's quite a large one. We used to call it the spring flower, but that's just a workshop term we used to use, you see. So I'll do it quite fast so it saves me making a longer type of video. The way I mark this out, I got a piece of paper like this instead of a ruler, and then each one of these here, you see I put the mark in, and so we got the spacing for each one of these quite easily, so we get the even spacing, you see. And so what I did then is made it like the brick as I described before to make it easier, halfway across. There, you start there, you see, so now that will leave this gap. Now what you're going to do, you clip these ends off like I mentioned with the scrolls, so you can get this round, this scroll like. Okay, so you clip this one off too, you see, so now you've got a V in between these two. So now you're going to go from here, you're going to leave a band going around here, a little pathway going around here. So keep the more or less the even spacing around like so. So you're going to go around here, keep it relatively, it does go off a bit, so it doesn't really matter. So now what you're going to do is you're going to create a circle, which is a round disc here, you see. So you've got this, you do the same here on this one, you see. You carry on and you go around here, and then you will create this one. So you're going to end up doing something like this. So now, because you engraver, this will be darker, but it'll end up like these. I did an earlier video and I messed it up, so I put it on too slow. That's me. So now we have that. Now you've got your circle in here, and this was nicely cut around here. You're going to start the next one. So what we normally used to do is just do the whole series of these first, these loops coming here, the fish hooks. Then we go through another system, so you're getting it all instead of doing each individual one. So you're getting that rhythm going all the way along. So you would cut all this one first, that would be there, that's the first process. Then the next one you would do this line in here and come round here, because if it's the even spacing there, you will end up like this circle, like so. So now what we're going to do is we're going to quarter this flower here and like that. Now if it's if you're going to do it fairly large, which is quite attractive, just fill spacing, you could put a little circle in here. And then each one of these here, you will cut the little chevron in here, you see, like so, like that, like that. And then you do another one in to make a little primrose effect. You'll see it on the other ones there. So this is what we're aiming for, and doing that. And then later on, when you do your shading, you will put these little marks in here like this. You don't overdo this. It's not necessary because it's fairly small in this way. Okay, and I'm doing it fast because I found some of the other videos were too long and they weren't being able to be shown. So, and being a border is easier. So now what you're doing is you're going to take this across here like so. So you've got this effect, so you've got these, and you can do anything you like, really. You can cut these strokes in here like this. When it's small, it looks more intricate, you see. And you can do this. You can put a little darker area in here if you'd like to, see? And then you've got the space here, so you develop another leaf in there, and it can come around here, and you can put something, another little cut in there. You can make everything you like in here, really. It becomes another like scroll work. Bring this down, you shade this here. And now you can do this instead of that one. You can do this if you've got more confidence and you like to put a little bit more detail, or you just need to put a leaf in like so, shade this down here like that here, and put a shading in like this. And this would be shaded. The pencil doesn't do a very good job on this one because I'm doing it quite fast. But that's what you'll find will be. There's just another little thing that you could practice because it's quite attractive and it's almost getting to be a scroll itself. And to hold this around the border of a plate or anything you want to do is quite attractive. I mean, you see, you just quarter it like so, like that. Put these cuts in here, each one of these cross here, like that. Create a little niche in there again, niche in there again, niche there, niche there, and shade it in, and do that. So you'll repeat it like this, and it'll be on there. That one is done in ink, and then if I was very clever, I would shade that down here, and I will do this, this. But you'll find it on a lot of the English old percussion guns, and we used to use it on the trigger guards down the border. So it was quite an attractive one. So I'll leave you. I hope it's just another little item I could show you, and we'll develop more. Goodbye.